Hello guys, welcome to my today I discuss about Deojhar Waterfall Park. Deojhar Waterfall and Nature Park is located in Hindol Badamba forest range. Deojhar is the best waterfall and tourist place near Cuttack and Bhubaneswar. If anyone can for visit here, this place mostly crowded in winter season. Just comment now if anyone plan for in this winter season to visit this place. I will suggest you to visit this place with your family and enjoy this beautiful moment. For more videos like this, just hit the like, comment and subscribe now for more videos. Thanks for watching my videos.